Children, today we are going to continue the same chapter, page number 46, about birds, feet and claws. We are going to look for the feet and claws. Now, yesterday I have explained you about the feet and claws. All the birds have feet. They have toes, claws. What are claws then? The claws means this. Here you can see in the picture here, nail-like structure to the feet. To their feet is called a claws. To the toes, this is the feet. They have toes, and this is nail-like structure are called claws. Did you understand? Now, according to these feet and according to the claws, these birds are differentiated. Then they have different types of the birds. Now, first one is perching birds. What is it? Perching birds. Underline the word perching birds. Now, listen children. All the birds have feet. All the birds have feet. They have toes and with claws. Birds use their feet and claws to walk, hop around, protect themselves from enemies, catch and hold food. See now you know these are the uses of the feet and claws. These birds use their feet to hop, to walk, to protect themselves from enemies, to catch or hold the food. Understood? Now first we are going to learn about the perching birds. Perching birds means पंछी जो लंबी देर तक, बहुत देर तक it is living on the tree. See the birds which have to live on the tree. They have to, what do they have to do? They have to firmly sit, rest on this and sleep at night without falling. This act is called perching. The birds which firmly handle or hold the branch of the tree for sitting. See this, can you see this? There are 3 fingers in the front and 1 finger at the back. They can catch it firmly and sit on the branch of a tree. Such birds are called perching birds. Example, crows, sparrows and pigeons. They have 3 toes, can you see here? In the front and 1 behind. These toes curl around the branch to hold it firmly. They can sleep on the tree for the whole night because they can hold the branch firmly without falling. Now we are going to the second type, that is preying birds or birds of prey. Birds of prey means what? They are eating other animals, the animals which are eating and other animals as their food. Those example, eagles, hawks, vultures and owls. They eat flesh of the other animals. So these are called preying birds. What are they called? Preying birds. Now, these birds have very strong and sharp claws. See, can you see here in the picture? See, this is a sharp claws. Strong and sharp claws. Why? To tear the food. To tear the food. See here, they sharp claws for catching and tearing the flesh of small animals like frog and rats. Their strong and sharp claws are called talons. These are called talons. Now here one question is there. What is the question? What are talons? Name some perching birds. Name the preying birds. Understood? Now what type of claws do the perching birds have? What type of claws do the preying birds have? Now the third point. Now the third type, we are going to look for the third type. This is now rest all are easy because climbing birds, that means which climb there. Birds like parrot, woodpeckers, these are called climbing birds. See here, you can see here, they have 4 toes, 2 in the front and 2 in the back side. See these climbing birds have two toes pointing towards upwards and two toes pointing downwards. Can you see in the picture here? They use their toes to climb up and hold the branches of the tree. They are called climbing birds. Example, parrot and woodpecker. Now here climbing birds, it is very easy now. Now we are looking for the scratching birds. Have you seen any birds scratching near your house? For example, hen, peacock, quail. So birds like hen, peacocks and quail have their feet, use their feet to dig the ground in search of buried seeds and insects. See, they have 3 toes in front and 1 at the back with sharp claws. Claws you can see here to dig the mud in the ground. These are called scratching birds. What are they called? Scratching birds. Now swimming birds. I think you know that swimming birds like duck, geese, swans. So how do they have? They have webbed feet. See here, this is the web here between the toes. They have 3 toes in front and 1 toe at the back. The 3 toes are joined by the skin like a web-like appearance. Why? Because this web-like feet help them to paddle the water, to push the water while swimming. They are called swimming birds. Now next type is wading birds. Wading birds means what? The birds that walk over shallow water. Shallow means not so deep. They are called wading birds. For example, crane, heron and paddy birds are wading birds. They have thin and long legs here. They have thin and long legs with wide spreading toes. Wide spreading toes. These are called wading birds. Now last one is running birds. Which are running birds? You know, one of the example is ostrich. It runs very fast. It cannot fly. It has long and strong legs for running. It is the only bird which has 2 toes in each foot. See here, strongly webbed. It is very webbed there. So it is very strong to run now. These are some types of feet and claws. Children, you will read this part, write each points of the lesson and learn them. If I say what are perching birds, you should be able to tell about the examples and also their feet and claws. Understood? So read it 3 times, write the new words 5 times and send it to me. Thank you.